Hey guys, this is Mr. McKee. I just want to go over a quick, let me move my camera down just a smidge. Alright, I want to go over an alternate activity for lab, establish a console connection with Tera term, lab 8.2.2.6. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to set this in Packet Tracer. I think pretty much everybody has seen these Cisco router, or actually this is a switch in this case, 2960. Hooked up. It's basically got a power cable and it's got a console cable. And this lab talks about most computers these days not having the COM port anymore, but actually since we have the heavy-duty desktop workstations that have Xeon processors, they actually do still have those COM ports. So you can console in pretty easy on our computers in the lab. Alright, so, but since you guys are taking an online class, I'm going to go ahead and, this is all good information, but I'm going to go right down to here, starting on part 2, erasing and reloading the Cisco device, and I'm going to do it in Packet Tracer. Alright. So first thing I want to do is, I'm going to add just a generic PC, and I'm going to add a network device, which is, click on switches, 2960. Alright, so there's your two devices. Now don't connect them together with a straight through cable. Actually use the console cable, and that's simulating the cable up here they're talking about, the console cable. And the console cables we have in class are DB9s on one side, and they have a Ethernet RJ45 on the other. Also, some of the new firewalls, stuff like that we have, they have many USB connections on one side and then a USB connection on the other. Alright, so let's do this. And it's an RS-232 connection. Looks like a light blue, or I guess that would be light blue connection. Console. Okay, so we're console together, connected directly from the PC into the switch. Now you can do this, say if you don't have the IP address, if you don't know that, or you don't have networking, any kind of networking cable set up, you could use that console cable. Alright. And I can also, I had to do this on one of the switches in the lab just because I forgot the password in the switch, so I had to log on console into it, start it up, and then break the start config so I could reprogram it. Alright, so anyways, we're not going to be doing that right now, but I'm going to go ahead and go to the PC, click on the desktop, terminal. Alright, choose, leave the defaults where they are, hit OK. Alright, now we're logging into the switch, and you can see right here, this is a 2960 switch. Software version's kind of old, but for training it's fine. Alright, shows compiled in 05. Alright, hit enter. Alright, now we can go to part 2, and we're erasing and reloading the Cisco device. So first go in privilege config with enable, and then we're going to delete the VLAN information. Of course, we haven't made any changes, so I'll just do this for the sake of doing it. Delete VLAN.dat. Alright, delete file VLAN.dat. Hit enter to confirm. And it's going to delete from flash. Confirm. Alright, error deleting flash VLAN.dat. No file or directory exists. That's fine. Alright, so now we're going to remove the startup configuration from the NVRAM. We're going to do erase, startup, and I usually let it autofill with tabbing over. Erasing the VRAM file system, remove all the configuration files, continue, hit enter to confirm. Alright, so that was really quick. Erase of VRAM is complete. Alright. This is a pretty short lab, but alright. So now we're on E. type in reload. Proceed with reload, hit enter to confirm. Alright, sit here and watch it load. And it shows right here what it's loading. Alright, it's loading that bin file. Alright, so it's done now. Alright, and that's the end of the lab. And it didn't even prompt this. Alright. But this is what I need. As long as you guys can send me a screenshot of this right here, this is fine. Alright, just shows that it was loading the flash, and it's okay, and it shows that it's loading all this information. Alright, so do a screenshot right there, and that should be fine. Alright, thanks for watching.